If you're looking for hot new handbags, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2018 Burberry Handbags and Wallets 2018 new arrivals. Number 1, Most Popular, by Burberry. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Burberry. Number 3. Click this circle for more info and deals. Just click here and get yours. Number 4. Number 5, also by Burberry. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6. Number 7. Discover more hot new handbags ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 8. Number 9. The Burberry Handbags and Wallets 2018 new arrivals were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.